What's going on, everyone? Chris back with another video. Today is something a little bit new since I normally don't cover Apple products on the channel, and that is the USB-C to Lightning cable by Choetech. So as devices nowadays like laptops and computers are moving towards USB-C, power delivery, charging, things like that, you're going to want one of these cables. That way you can be up to date and have your iPhone, have your iPad, things like that to be compatible with new laptops that are coming out. So some of the things that this supports actually a fast charging for the iPhone XS, XS Max, iPhone X, that sort of thing. So USB-C to Lightning, so no problems there. This is 6.6 feet long, about 2 meters, supports 480 megabit per second transfer speeds. So yeah, so if we just open this up, you can pick this up on Amazon. It is a little bit more expensive than other ones that are on Amazon. I think that's because this is 6.5 feet long. So this is going to be really great for, yeah, basically anything that you might need. So as we can see here, we have our USB-C port on one side, and this is the Lightning on the other side. This is MFI certified, so it is going to work properly with Apple products, so no need to worry of it giving an error of an unsupported accessory, that sort of thing. So what we can do here is we can actually plug one end into the iPhone. This is a 7 Plus. And then the other end, what we can do is plug into, let's say, a Pixel 3a XL. We just had to unlock the device, and now we can see that it is charging from the Pixel 3a to the iPhone. So this is providing power, as we can see here, connected to iPhone. You can actually transfer files if we wanted to, but yeah, or we can use this onto a laptop, for example. Here we have a MateBook and has only USB-C ports, and so now that is plugged in. If we just turn it on, if we turn on the MateBook, we can see it is also charging. And since the latest iPhones also do support fast charging via USB-C power delivery, you can actually plug this into a USB-C like 18-watt charging brick, and this goes into your phone, your iPad, iPad Pro, and you'll be good to go. This is long, so that's nice. You can have your charger on the wall, and you can be at like the bar at your kitchen, for example, and this is going to be plenty long. So this is a pretty nice rubber coating here. It's not nylon, it's not braided or anything like that. I'm not sure how the durability is going to be like, but they do claim that it does last tens, 100,000s of bends. We do have a thicker connection up here on the end of it where the connector is, and it does show Choetech and the branding on the cable itself. I think the only thing I would wish this was braided. I think a lot of other cables out, such as Anchor, do have braiding. Now, Apple has the stigma of being attractive and elegant and nice looking. A black cable doesn't fit into that aesthetic of iPhone. iPhones are always known for a white cable, you know. This being black may come across as cheap or not as good quality, maybe to other people that are Apple users, Apple fanboys, that sort of thing. So they may not like this. And plus, white is always like the aesthetic of Apple, you know, but that's the only other thing. I don't use iPhones or Apple products, but that's not too much of a big deal. At least it's not going to show signs of wear in terms of it getting dirty or anything like that. So at least that's a silver lining. But yeah, anyways, about 20 bucks, depending on if there's a sale or anything like that. This is the Choetech USB-C to Lightning cable. If you guys have questions on the product, as you know, let me know in the comments. I'll help you out. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.